Crude oil and net gas both traded in a narrow zone throughout the day, and now oil is starting to show. Both oil and gas are starting to show a little up move. While see, you can see now net gas has seen 3.4 levels and it is moved towards 3.42. So now it shows that it is showing a little signs of bullishness here. While also crude oil has moved past 71.2 zone. Can we expect oil to move towards 72 today? Can we expect net gas to also move towards 3.5, 3.6 zone, or there is a round of drop awaited with the non-farm payrolls data? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch. Now, if you look at the move in oil here, see after finding the resistance here at 71.6 yesterday, we have seen a dip towards 70.3. Now it is retested. Also notice it is finding the support at 70.7, 70.6 pretty strong. So only and only if you see it is staying below 70.6, I will recommend you to sell. Why? See now what it is doing, it is delivering lower highs and thus possibility of lower lows increases here, which means once it trades below 70.4, 70, or rather I'll say 70.6, this time it may move towards 70.2 and in fact can move below 70, 69.8 zone. Lower lows can be seen here. See, it is getting resistance from the 50 period here. Also it has got resistance from the 50 period. So as long as it stays below 50 period, we have to be cautious here with the buying entries. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is rising though. The RSI is comfortable and it is rising as well. On the 2 hour charts, if you look on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, every time it hits this 20 period moving average, it tries to reverse, and now again it is showing signs of exhaustion here, and thus you have to wait. Also note on the downside, it is getting a pretty good support here at 70.7, 70.6 zone. Thus you have to wait for it to break below this in order to confirm more bearishness, and on the upside 71.2 should be taken in order to confirm the bullishness, and specifically any move beyond 71.6 is the sign of reversal. As long as it stays below 71.6, you should not be treating oil as bullish for the day. The stock I stick at near to top. MACD is after hitting the bottom, now it is crossing over, and this suggests that it is not much of room on the upside for it to cover. Though in the recent past we have seen oil is struggling here at the bottom. So let's see if it flies away today. RSI comfortable on the 3 similar observation here on the 3 hour charts. 20 period, this spot here, and it is definitely a greater resistance, and once it breaches past the 20 period, you can expect it to in fact move towards the 50 period that is sitting right now close to $72 levels. This could be the beginning of the reversal as well. Right now you can see how beautifully it has carved this bearish channel. It has to break this channel and then you can look forward to the next up move towards 76. Right now oil is struggling here on the upside. It is rising, and every rise is followed with a lower lows where it has taken a sharp dip. A stock I stick rising here. The MACD has again crossed over at the bottom. It is trading with divergence. Let's see if it continues to show an up move here. RSI is flat. On the 4 hour, similar observation. See one bullish candle after the reversal sign, steps couple of steps candle here, and it appears the current candle is going to be another bullish one where it is going to move towards 71.4, 71.6, and then towards 72 is also possible. Right now it is not showing the strength, but wait for it to break beyond 71.2, 71.6 zone, and then you can expect a greater round of rise here. The stock is rising. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, which is a good sign for the bulls here. The RSI is rising. Coming to now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SWIFT-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, so far, look at the preceding candle. It is very important to have a look at the preceding candle. It is a swing candle, and today it is already seen lower highs, which suggests that lower lows cannot be denied. Lower lows means it can show you a good round of drop where it can in fact breach below 70. So right now it is very early to conclude that it is turning bullish and it is heading towards 71.6 or $72 levels. And yes, it is also leaving a scope for it to trade bearish, and thus only and only if you now see oil trading below 70.6 levels, 70.7 levels, you can take a selling entry here, and then we can expect it to in fact breach below yesterday's lows, moved towards 70.2, 69.8, and in fact lower levels. Though the stock I think here is oversold, MACD is right now trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. It has seen a good fall from the peak, and the RSI has dropped. So looking, first thing is where to buy. I will only recommend you to buy. If you see oil now staying above 71.2, you can buy here and expect 571.6 as the first target zone. This is going to remain critical. And remember, as I said, till 71.6, you cannot trade oil as bullish for the day. It can reverse sharp as long as 71.6 is. But once it breaks past 71.6, you can expect that the next destination here is going to be towards 72, close to 72 at least. And breaking beyond which is stay bullish for 72.5, 73.2, and in fact 74 levels very, very soon. Right now, that momentum is missing. It is possible if it closes at the top, if it closes above 72 today, you can expect that the next week we may see the beginning of the reversal here in the oil prices. Right now, it is not showing such accelerated momentum. On the downside now, I'll recommend a selling entry at 70.7 levels, expected to move towards 70.5, 70.4 levels at the first target zone, 70.2 at the second, and then 69.8 level should appear below 69.8. The next destination is going to be directly towards 69.3, because below 69.3 is where you can expect major business to follow, where the prices can head towards 68 or lower levels, chances for which appears to be less. But these are markets. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural. See, natural gas today again traded this with the support from the 20 period, and it is trying to bounce back. That is what I have mentioned today earlier in the day, that only bearishness today, only selling entry today in gas is if you see it is staying below 3.6 levels. It has failed to stay below 3.36 levels and stayed bullish, now trying to bounce back. It is in fact now breached 3.4. So can we expect, because see it has breached 3.4, can we expect it to move towards 3.45? That is the next target which I am looking forward to as of now. Look at the move here, the rise, the sideways movement. If it hits or trades about 3.4546, the next move is going to take it about 3.5 as well. And this is very much possible with the next week opening itself. If it closes at the top today, if it closes about 3.4546, you can stay bullish for the coming week as well. The stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for the buys. The RSI is rising here. On the 2 the observation is similar on the 2-hour charts. After this stronger rise, it is now trading in this bullish channel. Let it break on the upside beyond 3.4546. That will confirm further bullishness. And see, as long as it stays above 3.4 levels, which is it is already trading above, I think we can stay bullish here. We can expect it to move towards 3.4546 and in fact higher levels. Now the stop loss here should be at around 3.36, because below that it is going to turn into a selling entry. Look at the moving averages. These are trading with divergence. These are staying bullish, looking upwards. Good sign for the bulls here. Stochastic rising here. The MACD almost flat, not yet crossed over. I will wait for it to diverge, show signs of divergence, show signs of bullishness. RSI rising, which is good sign here. Good sign for the bulls here. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. See, as long as it stays above 3.4 and 3.36, I think we can aim higher. We can aim higher for 3.4546 zone. And once it breaks past this, you can expect it to move towards 3.5, the next critical milestone. Because beyond 3.5, I will be looking forward to 3.6 and then trading above 3.6. Remember, I've shared this several times in the recent past that now if net gets trades above 3.6, we are looking forward to $4 levels possibly very, very soon. Whatever you say, whether the weather has changed, the demand has slumped, but I think if it stays above 3.6, chances will be high that we may see a good rally here in net gas prices. The stock I see, the moving averages have now looking upwards. It has crossed over for a buying position. The stochastic looking up, the MACD is green, the RSI is rising as well. On the 4-hour, the observation remains same on the 4-hour charts as well. Increasing body size here, reversal sign after the retracement, and now trading bullish. Possibly we may see higher highs. Now it is already above 3.4, and as long as now 3.36 is respected, we can expect it to achieve higher highs. Possibility exists. Moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Stochastic rising here, MACD trading with divergence, MACD looking bullish, looking upwards, RSI rising, good sign here for the bulls. Coming to the look at the daily charts here, see higher highs and higher lows are seen. Net gas so far for multiple weeks traded in this bullish channel. Now it is retraced and trying to break out, but you can notice that what it is doing here is lower lows, lower highs. It is very, very important for net gas to now trade above 3.6 levels. That is the level above which you can say that the bulls will be taking over. Look at the moving average, it's almost running flat, and look at the preceding two candles. Despite staying bullish, you can see that the body sizes are diminishing here, which suggests that the bullishness is getting diminished, and now we have to wait We have to wait for it to break past yesterday's high, and specifically beyond 3.46 is where you can say now we can aim forward to another round of rise, taking it till towards 3.5 or higher levels. Stochastic rising here, the MACD hitting the bottom, it has crossed over. It suggests that it can deliver a greener candle today, which means a possibility of a move towards 3.4546 or in fact 3.5 exists. RSI rising. So looking at this, what I'll recommend is a buy at 3.42 now. Expect 3.4546 at the first target zone and then 3.5 levels at the next. Beyond 3.5, 3.52 is where you can look forward to the next target zone, which is going to be towards 3.6 very, very soon. On the downside, now a selling entry is only below 3.36, where you can expect it to move towards 3.33, 3.3. And if 3.3 is taken any point of time today, tomorrow, you can just stay short for 3.26, 3.2 levels, and below that, a round of crash can be, chances of which appears to be less today at least. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great, profitable trading day.